so it is day 3, and it was raining overnight. There's not too much action here at the track. We got Steve's mobile detailing over here. Yeah, he's doing what I should be doing because right now I'm messing with something silly. I mentioned to you guys about the battery. I just got a brand new battery from Costco and it's not holding up. So I am taking off the wheel so that I can get out the battery. Since there's not much going on over here, we're gonna try and take a rip over to Costco and swap it out with the AGM battery, so the gel battery instead of the acid one that we put in here. Even still, the acid one shouldn't be failing like this, but we'll go and swap it out. Okay, so we got it back on the ground, but we took out the battery. I got the battery over there, but we gotta wait till 10 a.m. to go and change this sucker. And we're gonna try and find something to do in the meantime, but like I said, show is pretty dead today.
He always changes over to that other cam, you know?
Yeah, so I guess the last it was running, did it make any weird noises or no?
No, there aren't any noises, no.
Okay. Oh, I guess, are you here this morning or where are you at?
I'm on my way back down. I'm at State College right now. I don't know if you know where that's at or not, you know?
No, I'm not too familiar with the area.
I'm a couple hours out, you know? Probably an hour and a half, you know?
Gotcha. Okay, and what are you thinking you want for it? Are you trying to get rid of it or?
What's that?
I said, what are you thinking you want for it? Are you trying to get rid of it today or?
Good morning, everybody.
It doesn't really matter, you know what I mean? I'll fix it if I don't sell it, you know? It don't matter.
Gotcha. Well, what are you thinking for numbers?
Zoper is down.
Probably the lowest I can do is around 3, you know?
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Well, if you want to give us a shout back when you're around, maybe we'll come see you. We'll be here for a little bit. Okay. Okay. Thanks. So that little random conversation was us talking to the guy with that Charger that you guys saw. He still wants like $3,000 for that thing, and then we would have to tow it back or get it back. You know. I think we counted about 15 and that was after I turned on the camera. But before that, he was just you-knowing us to death. So he said, I don't know if you guys caught that, but he said that he was driving it with a bad cam and wanted to see how far he could drive with that bad cam. Driving it with that bad cam until it stops driving, essentially. And he still wants $3,000 for it, and it's pretty beat up, so that's a bad deal.
That's a good one.
We're gonna go and change the battery out since there's not a whole lot going on at the show. I'll just spin this around for you guys. Everyone pretty much, well, Steve's a veteran at this. He said everyone pretty much leaves, Saturday or Sunday morning, so you can kind of see everything's pretty barren looking. But we're gonna hit Costco and get that battery. So we're in Costco, guys. So this is the difference. So both H7s, I went for this one. It doesn't have the cranking amps on it. I think this is going to be 800, but the AGM 850 cold cranking amps are a little bit more.
I'm taking a chance to drive down. So. Yeah, I checked out the driver's side, man. It's impressive.
Thanks. We just did like a last minute battery change, so I put a new battery in it, but she wasn't.
Yeah, I saw I'm surprised. Just a faulty battery, not enough cranking amps, or was it just battery?
I don't know. I'm hoping it was one of the two. I just brought it back and we got another interstate battery in it, so.
So mainly, you're gonna do drag with this, or are you gonna do like open road courses as well?
No, not road course. Mostly drag, and then way nicer.
What doesn't he fucking know it? You're welding. That's our education process.
Bone stalker? Modified.
Ordering, you gotta let the whole song play, brother.
Let's see.
I don't think so.
Oh, look at that.
Because I put 30,000 miles.
6'1", and then we got 6'2" over there.
Talk to you online. You guys were doing a bunch of different stuff.
I did the Hemi swap seminar yesterday.
Yeah.
Really?
That's awesome.
Yeah. You know, like at the tent over there.
Well, I was wondering why you had the Scat Pack.
But it's the Scat Pack because they're a little faded, but I drive it in the winter. I got snow tires for it. As you can see, I've used it commuting.
Total sleeper. So again, 6'1" to 6'2".
It's actually not too bad.
Steve got in trouble.
It looks bone stock.
Oh man. It's like a lighter.
Check this out, you guys. We found another blue single cab. This one's got a 6'1" swap in it. I do like the painted mirrors and the painted door handles, I must admit. So definitely when we consider repainting ours, we're gonna have to do something similar, but super clean, you guys. Check this out. How often are you gonna see two of these things next to each other with Hemi swaps? All right, guys, so pretty cool. We found another Dakota. We're gonna pack up though. It's pretty much the end of this. So we're gonna load the Dakota up into here until she comes out next. All right, well, she's in. We're gonna strap her up and get out of here. All right, boys, well, that's a wrap for Carlisle 2021. Truck is in the box. I don't know what we're getting into next. This might be the end of the video. This might be the start of something crazy, but we'll keep it rolling.
We're going on Marketplace.
We'll see. Look at this setup, you guys. A Prowler, and that thing is slammed, by the way. And then it's got a mini Prowler go-kart behind it. Alright, as expected, we are at Hershey's. We got lost. We hit rain. Steve's hungry. He wants chocolate.
Nom nom nom.
Dang, that's a big Hershey kiss. Apparently we're headed to Chocolate World. There it is, guys. We're going into Chocolate World. Let's go. Steve's more excited than anybody right now. Oh, that feels amazing. Let's go back there.
Let's go on the ride first.
Create your own candy bar. There's everything. Chocolate tour. Here it is. The Hershey man. I'm learning all this history over here. There's a whole history lesson here. This is when Mr. Hershey was born.
$1903, same year as Harley.
Damn. Chocolate factory.
Harley in 1903, also the Holly brothers.
Really?
Yeah. 1907,
Hand wrapped, they used to wrap them.
Holy smokes. Up until 1921.
That's like, that's wild. The almond version came out in 1908.
Well,
By 1918, that was like not even a 20-year span. He was already loaded.
25 and 39, they came out the good bar.
Oh, that's when it was. That's my favorite. 1963, we get Reese's Pieces. 1971, we get dark chocolate. Then we got Twizzlers in the 77.
That's mine.
Oh yeah. 89, you get the cookies and cream. Icebreakers, 2013 caramel. So I didn't know that, but the cocoa beans come out of this big fruit looking thing. I guess I've never really paid attention to it. And this guy's holding up some more of them. Look at it. Just like that. There you go, some more of them beans.
270 beans to make 1 pound of chocolate.
That's a lot.
And each pod has 20 to 40 beans inside of it. So try to figure out the math off of that.
That's a lot. Ooh, California. Good for almonds. Ooh, that's your hometown, man. You can't talk about it like that. Check this out. So 1900, he's the first one to make a molded milk chocolate bar. I didn't know that. Here we go. Getting on a little chocolate ride. Let's go. This chocolate bar is talking to us.
We're on our way to the...
Look at that. All the beans come through there and then go on the belt. And we're off to roasting. Steve's been roasting people all day, actually. All right, milling. Oh, look.
Unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Milk and sugar.
Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. As the mixture cooks,
Oh, that smells good.
delicious little mixtures that we call chocolate.
So they're
foam.
pumping smells in here of like chocolate and vanilla and stuff. Look at that, it's mixing all them chocolates.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be
Hershey's
packaged.
milk chocolate in special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are
They even got the
Hershey's.
syrup.
Thanks, Alex.
Oh, what? Look at those things.
It looks like our packages are ready to go.
We got free chocolate. What? Thank you.
Thank you.
Heck yeah. Look, now we're out here. Chocolate Wonderland. Check it out. Look what Steve just found. He found a bean pod. He was about to go pluck it off, but they yelled at him. Well, there's another one over there dried up, right?
Yeah, I think they wait till they drop, or maybe that one's rotten.
That's pretty cool. The size of this thing, you guys. That's my fist.
Oh, 1 pound.
That's crazy. It's only 15 bucks.
Only.
Oh, but I mean the size of that thing? You'd be sucking on the thing all year. Check this out, you guys. You can only get these here. Strawberries and cream, cookies and mint.
Birthday cake.
Oh, I think we gotta try one of those. I have
Get it
to.
here. Only, look at, only sold here.
I'm sure you can get, Amazon probably has it.
Get it, we could flip it and get some more car parts.
Oh my god.
Grab like a whole box and we could sell them, and then you can get enough money for another Hellcat motor.
This is all Steve's fault. All Steve's fault. Look at this birthday cake. You kind of have to though.
2.5 pounds.
You stop it, Steve.
2.5 pounds.
What is this? Are these mega ones? No, look, there's only 2 of them in here.
Look at this.
So that means each peanut butter cup is 1 pound.
Look at this thing.
What the hell? That is crazy. If it didn't melt on the way back, I probably would get it.
Look at that.
Do you see this? 5 pounds of chocolate. Steve ate it all on camera. Would you eat it if somebody paid you?
No.
Why not?
I'm a girl.
You're not a girl?
I'm a girl.
Oh. Should have stuck with the first answer.
Whip you with the fiddler. Dude, meant to get beat with that.
Extra long. Steve wants to compare his pretzels.
And yeah, I mean, look at this thing. It's huge.
That's about the same size.
Yeah.
That one might have a little more size to it, but what the heck? Look at this. You can dip it in chocolate. We gotta get out of here. We're gonna be 800 pounds. 600. Okay, 600. We might be gaining some weight on this one. Look at this, you guys. Birthday cake milkshake. I think we know what we're getting. All right, we went with the Reese's with no whipped cream. Cheese! What's Steve's first reaction? Is it good?
It's interesting. Holy smokes.
All right, Steve's calling me a fat ass. Look at all this stuff. This is all mine.
Look at all Reese's.
Look, Steve's got like 2 things. I got all this, all Reese's. Not good. We are out of here. We're gonna have a sweet day. Check out from my hair, you guys. They got like the 2 towers, like the Willy Wonka thing going on. All right, guys. So I'm just at the hotel here. We're gonna wrap it up. That's kind of our adventure for Carlisle. We're gonna take off in the morning. We're gonna get on the road. We might try to hit Roadkill Nights next month. I'm trying to see if I get into the registration there. Maybe some other events. I'll try to keep you guys posted as much as I know and when I know. This is crazy. I haven't seen rain in so long living on the West Coast, but yeah. Good thing the event is finally over and the rain held off because it is super rainy out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys liked or enjoyed about this vlog, and we'll see you guys on the next video because I'm going to be vlogging quite a bit for the next week or so. So see you guys on the next one.